It's a Honeywell UV cabin cleaning system. This is how you raise the shield, and then you pull the latch out. Insert the key, master power switch. That applies DC voltage to the system, applies DC voltage to the turret and the wings. Then you can raise and then you can fold out the wings. I'll just fold out the right side. And then you raise it or lower it depending on the seat height. Now this device here is the remote for the inverter. When you depress the power switch, that provides AC voltage to all the lamp assemblies, and your lights are armed. Now when they're armed, then both these switches here have to be depressed before the lights will turn on. There's one on each handle. Okay, this is to tell how to remove a light bulb assembly. Now if you see on the new clips, these safety wires will have to be cut. Then you depress the red button and the light pops out. You place the bulb, push it in until you hear a snap, reconnect, redo the safety wire on the two clips, and that's it. And it's the same way for underneath. You see the red button, and then they also have safety wire clips.